We have blessing rolls, and this will not only show you how you can help, but also give you an idea of what our kids do together. We want somebody to plan field trips, mom's night out, dad's night out, have parties. We need party planners and retreat planners. We want somebody to be our facilities lead and work on lost and found if we have things that kids leave behind, which is inevitable. We develop a yearbook each year, and it's so cute. We want somebody to help us track supplies. We have compassion care. So, in our community, things happen. People get sick, loved ones are lost. We have sorrow sometimes, so we're taking care of each other. We have birthday leads, so we're celebrating our birthdays at Equip. And even a kids' book club coordinator or a math club coordinator, fundraising. I have it in my heart to also do like a beta club at Equip. But we need leaders for that. So you can think about what makes you light up and feel happy and help us there.